In this video, I will show you how you can upload your website to our shared hosting server. First of all, log into your hosting control panel. Now you are logged into the control panel.
We have to open File Manager from Control Panel now.
All our files has to be uploaded to public_hotmail folder, so open that folder.
Next step is to create an archive of your files using some archiving application like WinZip or WinRAR. We have now created a zip file of the website files.
Then go to Hosting Control Panel and click the Upload File button. Select the file from your computer hard disk. Click the Upload button. File has been uploaded successfully. Now extract the files to the server like this. See, the files are extracted to server now.
You can browse your website now.
See, it is working fine. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for latest tutorials.